Here's a nice ornamental banana, Ensete maurelii, Red Abyssinian. And you can see by the stems and the tips or the margins of these leaves where it gets that red name. Real nice ornamental. I'm at Excelsa Gardens in Loxahatchee. I bought a musella from them last time I was here, the little Chinese ornamental banana, the yellow flowering banana. But this one's real attractive too. I think the zone benders up north plant these as a seasonal, like an annual. I don't know if it's this particular species, but I seem to remember seeing that. So, Ensete maurelii, and it's Red Abyssinian.